What's going on, everybody? So today is gonna be today is my birthday. I am going to make another slime video. It's gonna be a short video because my other one was very long. And so now I'm just gonna do glue, baking soda, contact solution, and I'm not gonna add a color because my colors are downstairs and I don't want to go downstairs. So let's just get right into it. So first ingredient, you're gonna want to put glue. How much glue is how much slime you're gonna get. So put glue. Oh man, I think that was too much. But it's okay because I'm gonna get a gallon of glue today because today is my birthday. And then we're gonna get some baking soda. Oh, make sure you pour it in your hand. Not too much like I did, it was an accident. And you're gonna get a couple of pinch. 1, 2. It depends how much slime you make. So how much slime you make is gonna, like, you have to spread it all over, like on the sides. So that's a little too much. They won't notice. And then you're gonna add, if you want, you can stir it with your stirring spoon. Stir it, and now you're gonna do contact solution. Not too much because you want it to stretch. And if you want it to be sticky, well, which is mine's gonna be, I want mine sticky, so you're not gonna put too much contact solution. But if you don't want it sticky, make sure you add like amount, the one, like how much I'm doing it. But well, don't add as much as I'm doing it because all slimes are different. So make it stir, and once you feel like it's good, then you're gonna keep on going like this, and if it gets off your spoon, like mine's not, but that's why you gotta keep on stirring it. And then I'm gonna keep stirring it. Oh man, I almost dropped this baking soda. Alright, so now you're gonna keep, and you could add like any color for food you want. I usually use this lipstick. It's not like a lipstick, but it's like a little glossy thing. I don't use it, that's why I used it for the slime. So I'm gonna keep on stirring, and make sure it gets off your spoon before you touch it in your hands. Oh, and I have another trick that if it is if your slime gets like not stretchable, you put it in hot water and don't dry it with the towel because then it'll get stuck on it. Like, I know some of you guys know that, but just telling you. I did that to my grandma's chair. Oh my gosh. So you're just gonna keep stirring it. I'm gonna get my hands in there. It's coming along. Uh-oh. Aw, dang it. Okay, now we're just gonna keep stirring it. Put coloring food before you stir it. No, actually you could do it after, it doesn't matter. But I'm trying to make this quick. But I'm pretty sure I don't see, messy. Okay, so since this is not working, we're gonna add a couple more drops. Maybe 2. 2 is fine. And then it should form to the slime that you want. I usually do this. It's more faster than doing the other ways, but if you want to do the other ways, go check out some other YouTubers that do this. Alright, since this is now getting off the spoon, see? Getting off the spoon, so I'm just gonna keep. Oh. Alright. I'll get this stuff off. Alright, I finally got the stuff off. It's a little bit right there, but. And I got that stuff off. So now what you want to do is just play with it. And it should get off your hands like this. See that? Automatically. So, and you could add coloring doing while stirring it, or after you're done, like after you're done stirring it and making it, you do that as well. Or you could do it after you put in the contact solution. I think this way is best because it's more faster and easier. And so it is a nice white. I'm going to change this color like today because I don't like white. It's just plain. See, it gets off your hands. Which this is the most. And now I'm just stretching it. It's very like stretchable. So that's a good thing. And I'm going to be starting in a while, probably not until like a long time. Well, not until a long time, but soon I'm gonna have a different what's it call it, profile. And then because I'm gonna have a real camera. Right now I'm using my phone. Alright. So it was very nice. Look at this. Oh wait, get that right there. It is very nice. Uh-oh. Sorry. So that is the end of the video of making slime. This is just a shorter version than the other one. Make sure you like, comment, share. Oh wait, you don't have to comment. Like and subscribe. And yeah. So today is Monday, so I'm back in my normal schedule. I don't know if I'm gonna do one on Wednesday because this is my birthday week. So I'm just trying to get this stuff off me right now. But it's very stretchable. I think I'm gonna change the color. But if you think I should change the color, comment down below. This should be uploading today on Monday, November 13th, my birthday. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe and slime. Make sure you subscribe.